So Orphan Rock was once a lookout more popular than the Three Sisters, but they had to close it down in 1974 when part of the stairway fell away into the valley and it was deemed unsafe. There were 3 weddings on Orphan Rock there before they had to close it down, and I like to think it would have made a fantastic place to say no. Each of their own, really. On the left, you've got the Three Sisters, if you want to check those out. And the Three Sisters actually have names. From left to right, they go Meehni, Wimlah, and Gunnedoo. The 4th one, though, was never given a name, so some of the staff here do like to call the 4th one Dave. We like Dave. Once upon a time, there were actually 7 sisters in total, by the way, but the other 3 got married and left home or something like that. Never too sure. Out in front of us, we've got Mount Solitary at the end of the Jamison Valley, like 5 kilometers away from us. You can actually walk out to Mount Solitary if you want. It's about a 6-hour walk one way though. Nice cruisy 4,000 stairs, so it takes a while. Now up behind us, you've got the Katoomba waterfalls if you want to check those out. They're back through the right panel. You do see the waterfalls a bit better on the skyway itself as you're directly above them.
Ahí se ve la cascada, está media seca. Ahí se ve, bajando.